Looking for the best wet sharpening machine to keep your tools razor sharp? Today we're ranking the top contenders from worst to best. And trust me, the results might surprise you. Nyash. Starting at the bottom of our list is the CRYBY Sharpener, and while it looks promising on the surface, it's definitely the weakest in this group. It's designed for circular saw blades and features a large water tank and adjustable angles, which gives it some flexibility, but the problem is, that's about all we know. Unlike the other machines we reviewed, the CRYBY lacks transparency in its specs. There's no clear information on motor power, speed, or even wheel size, making it difficult to assess how well it actually performs. And when you're shopping for sharpening tools, those details matter a lot. This lack of detail raises serious concerns, especially if you're planning to use it regularly or on a wide variety of tools. It also appears to be specialized for saw blades, so it doesn't serve as a general purpose sharpener like others on this list. That said, if all you need is a basic unit for saw blades and you're okay taking a gamble on performance, this could work. But if you want power, precision, and reliability, keep watching, the good stuff's coming. And by the way, you'll find links to all the products mentioned today at the best price in the description right below this video. Next up, we have the SKIL grinder, a classic bench tool that tries to wear multiple hats. It's got decent power, a built-in water tray to cool your tools, and even a handy LED light to brighten your workspace. What really stands out is the sheer speed. 3,450 RPM means you'll get fast grinding done in no time. Compared to the CRYBY, this thing feels more robust and versatile, especially for quick touch-ups or rough shaping. It's got 2 grits included, and it's built to move metal fast. But here's the catch. That speed is a double-edged sword. There's no variable control, which means delicate tools can overheat or get damaged if you're not super careful. Plus, it lacks a leather stropping wheel, so finishing your edge is up to you. It's more of a grinder than a fine sharpener. If you're doing rough grinding and don't mind working around the speed limitations, this might suit your shop. But for more refined razor edge sharpening, you'll want to look higher on this list. And hey, if you're enjoying this breakdown so far, don't forget to like the video and hit that subscribe button. It helps us bring more reviews like this your way. Now we're starting to get into real sharpening territory. The HCYHSLH system looks a lot like the pricier units, but comes with a lower power motor and a fixed speed setup. That 95 RPM speed is perfect for sharpening without overheating your edges, and the dual wheel design gives you both grind and polish in one go. What makes it better than the SKIL is its slower speed, which is safer for fine tools. Plus, the 10-inch wheel gives you more sharpening surface, and that 220 grit stone is a solid starting point for most blades. You've also got a leather stropping wheel, a huge plus for getting that mirror finish. However, the motor is pretty low powered, so don't expect it to power through thick steel fast. And with a 230 volt requirement, this model might need a transformer if you're in North America. It's built more for the hobbyist or occasional user than for daily heavy-duty work. Still, if you're careful with your tools and just need an effective wet system for touch-ups and edge maintenance, this one definitely hits the mark. Let's move up to something with more muscle. Now we're talking. The BUCKTOOL system brings in one key feature that most of the competition skips: variable speed. That alone gives it a big advantage for folks who want to dial in precision depending on what tool they're sharpening. Compared to the HCYHSLH, you get similar build and wheel sizes, but that speed control plus bidirectional rotation really takes it up a notch. Whether you're working with soft steel or harder metals, this lets you adjust to reduce heat and get cleaner results. The water-cooled setup is efficient, and the leather wheel does a great job finishing the edge. But it's not perfect. The motor isn't very powerful, about 1/5 of a horsepower, so it may feel slow when removing a lot of material. Still, that's the trade-off for more control. It's made for sharpening, not grinding. This one is ideal for precision tool users, woodworkers, knife hobbyists, even kitchen pros. If you're okay with working a bit slower to get better results, this machine delivers. At the top of our list, and for good reason, ranked is the WEN Sharpening System. This thing strikes the perfect balance between usability, power, and performance. Right out of the box, it comes with everything you need: a 220 grit wet wheel, a stropping wheel, honing compound, jigs, and even a carrying handle. What makes it shine compared to the BUCKTOOL is the little stuff, like the solid 1.6 amp motor, bidirectional control, and handy jig system for sharpening chisels and planer blades. The whole design feels polished and purpose-built, and while the speed is fixed at 115 RPM, it's right in the sweet spot for most sharpening tasks. It's not without flaws. You don't get variable speed, and the power still isn't high enough for aggressive grinding. But let's be honest, this machine is about control, not brute force, and it does that beautifully. And if you want a machine that can take your dull tools and bring them back to life with precision and polish, the WEN system is a solid pick. It's easy to use, well designed, and ready to work right out of the box. So there you have it, the best wet sharpening machines ranked from bottom to top. You'll find links to all the top picks in the description below. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more hands-on gear reviews just like this.